Kilmer here from Alley in the Valley. I'm gonna make you one of my favorite all-time drinks. It's the end of summer and it's great to have a refreshing drink with vodka. I use Kettle One. You can use any kind of vodka you want, but I'm making a Moscow Mule. Moscow Mules have gotten really, really popular. They're almost like the old Cosmo, but it's refreshing, it's good, it's mini, it has ginger beer with it, it's simple. How do you do it? You got ice, take a lime, juice of a lime, and I actually like lime a lot, so I put a lot of lime juice in mine. Let's do another one. And sometimes you see them in the copper cups at a lot of restaurants to keep it really, really cold. I don't have any, so I'm making it in a glass. All right, let's say 1 1/2 ounce of vodka, or how strong you like it. Ginger beer, fill it up. And you can either put mint, which I have a little old mint left over, or you can put basil, and since I have both, I will put both. And here's your Moscow Mule. Cheers. Happy Labor Day. Thank you for coming back to Alley in the Valley. I have so many different recipes coming and I'm super excited. Moscow Mule. It's refreshing and perfect. Alley in the Valley.